We'll guide you through how to fix Android volume automatically going up or down. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and be annoying, as perhaps you're trying to go and listen to something. So you've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, swipe up and open your settings. What you want to do is go into connections, and here you can go and find Bluetooth, and you want to go and turn it off in case there's a Bluetooth device which is changing the volume. Next, what you want to try doing is checking the physical buttons, make sure they're not stuck, so you can just go and press them, make sure they're clicking. Also, if you've got a certain case, that can go and press down on the buttons, changing the volume. So try removing it and go and see if that solves it. For the next fix, swipe up and come back to your settings. You can go and press search in the top right, and you want to go and type in adapt or adaptive. You can go and find adapt sound, and you can go and tap there. Try turning it off. Now you can come back and go and see if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, let's try restarting the device in case it's just a software issue. So you can tap and hold the side power button like so, press restart and restart again. Now wait for it to start again, and when it comes back on, see if that's solved. Last of all, if you're using headphones, make sure you go and disconnect them as well in case there's volume control on that which is causing the problem.